discussing with you some of the tricks in digital marketing that is very effective in running some campaigns, getting the result, setting up the brand, and completing overall marketing goal. So, first of all, we will begin with our AARRR funnel. And with AARRR, I mean acquisition, activation, retention, revenue, and referral. Okay, so winning with the acquisition, first of all, we have to acquire a customer, and for that, we need to do is create the awareness of our brand, of our products, services. We have to create the awareness of the identity, and with that we are getting some of the like traffic on our website, or maybe some consideration through messages, emails, anything which is known as is we can say is activation. And with that, what and then next step is retention. Okay, so with that activation, we will try to just communicate with them through WhatsApp or through chatbots, so that the customer engage more with our products and services and know more about it. Okay, so for that we have to create some content about our products, which we have to deliver it to the customer through various links, backlinks, and all, through various channels, social medias, and through various more options, which are like emails as well. So these are the kind of ways we can do to retention. And for the revenue purposes, it's clear that revenue is the total outcome of the campaign. However, it is not only the revenue, because revenue is something which we can get from one person. Okay, but we have to create another step which is known as referral, so that that one person who like it and who wants to get some additional benefit from us, he can refer it to his non persons, and through that he can actually get the benefit from us, and also he can actually give us more revenue. So our overall this funnel works. So here we have to work upon, first of all, acquisition, creating awareness, promoting our brand identity; activation, something consideration, which is known as generating the traffic; and retention, which is known as getting the customer retained through our WhatsApp messages, chatbots, emails, so content as well. So, and revenue, the sales we are generating from uh, from that from the above three steps. So, and referral, obviously an important thing through which he can give the reviews, and through itself we can promote our products to its non-persons. Okay, so that is the AARRR funnel. And coming to the next, we will talk about AIDA formula. And here it is about the attention, interest, desire, and action that we have to create for the first insight of our customer to the products and services. So these are the ways we can actually promote our work in a very definite way. Okay, so we have to work upon this AIDA. So AIDA is first of all attention, which have to be created by something hook for first 3 seconds, something which we can help him to get that hook. You can imagine that the thing has to, that a story or the purpose of the content is going to be very interesting. Okay, so that is first of all we have to create the attention of that. So for the first 3 seconds we have to create some hook. Okay, so these are the ways through which we can create the hook, like uh, इससे सस्ता माल आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिल सकता. Okay, so these kind of things is actually create the attention in the customer's mind, or in to the viewer's mind. Okay, and about the interest is something which we have to build upon. When that customer is actually willing to continue with that view, so we have to create some interest, like something which have been demonstrated in the very effective way. Okay, so that the customer is willing to understand what is more actions that is willing to take the action. Okay, so after that the interest is created, the customer would show some desire only and only if we are able to like provide some free outcomes or free resources, and with that, and obviously there are various promotion techniques which create the desires.